making fun of the Liberty Bell now.
In London, Vic Oliver presents an ambulance on behalf of American artists. He and Claire Luce begin to do the talking, but as you'll see, Vic Oliver's wife, the Premier's daughter, Sarah, has to round it off.
Claire, I think you should say something about all this thing. What is this for, you know?
Well, I think the horse is sweet.
Putting the horse before the ambulance, what?
Well, I mean, I'd rather be on the horse than in the ambulance. It's a lovely ambulance, if you know what I mean, but
yes, I know what you mean. After all, a horse is a friend's best man. I mean, a man is a horse's best friend. I mean, a horse has a different... I mean, this is a horse...
Sarah, I think Vic's getting a bit muddled.
Yes.
Better say something.
I think perhaps I'd better. The point of having an ambulance that can be drawn by a horse as well as a car is mostly for country villages where the garage may be far away, there may be a breakdown or a shortage of petrol, in which case it'll be easier to get a horse than a car. The American Artists Ambulance Association are asking their friends both here and in America to donate generously to this cause. So, will you go to it and dig deep and help us buy lots more of these ambulances, please?
The King and Queen have been on a tour in the north of England.